Wait, have you ever wondered how to make your character dance like Charlie D'Amelio? Do a little wiggle, swing a sword? Then let me show you how to animate in Roblox Studio without any fancy plugins. After you subscribe down below while the intro plays. Hey, what's up, Macaroni Club? Today, I'm going to show you the process of how to animate a TikTok dance from start to finish. If you do everything right, you can get something like this. Wait.
Renegade, Renegade,
So hard.
Renegade.
So swear to God. Go. You did. Go. Yeah. Go. You'll need Roblox Studio, a YouTube dance video, and a bunch of free time on your hands. First, open up your studio.
Wait a minute.
Wait till you see the.
Next, I'm going to create a new place. At the top menu bar, go to Plugins. Click on Build Rig. Select a model. I chose Block Rig, and watch it spawn in. Next, click the Animation Editor plugin. Select your rig model if you don't have it selected already, and name your animation. Now open up YouTube in your browser of choice. Go to YouTube and search for your dance video. I went with this one. Watch it through to make sure you like it. Make it easier by switching YouTube to theater mode and place the browser side by side with Studio. Looking back in Studio, here we have a timeline. Let's adjust it to the length of the dance. Simply go to the end of the dance clip and look at the time. In the animation editor, you'll see two time codes. The first one is where you currently are in the timeline, and the second one is how long your timeline is. The time code looks like it's in minutes and seconds, but it's actually in seconds and frames. Starting from the beginning, the timeline moves up one frame at a time, up to 30 frames. When you reach 30 frames, it resets to 0 and you gain another second. So knowing all this, we're going to basically copy the YouTube video to our rig, frame by frame.
But Michael, if it's 30 frames a second and there's 15 seconds, that's 450 frames. That's a lot of frames to copy.
Look, you're right, but like any homework I've never felt doing, you gotta cheat. In this case, we're only gonna copy the video every 5 frames. So there's a real simple trick to watching a YouTube video frame by frame. On your keyboard, you can use the comma and the period to move the video back and forth respectively by 1 frame at a time. Now with all this, we can start copying. We're gonna start with just the arms to make it easy. Looking at our model, Charlie, we can see how she moves her limbs. Her shoulders rotate every which way, but her elbows swing in only one direction. Knowing this, we can do the exact same thing to our rig. In the menu bar, go to Model, and in the ribbon bar, under Tools, select Rotate, and click on Part and move one of the colored orbs around. Congratulations! You've learned how to twist and turn. For the purpose of making it easier for myself, I used 5 degrees for a rotation under Snap to Grid. Now, in the next set of frames, I made a mistake. I didn't follow my own advice, and I twisted the arm from the elbow. Don't attempt it in real life. I promise you, it will not work. Like, no, not working. I can't bend it. Back to the tutorial. You got the workflow. Pause the current video frame, rotate the arm limbs around, move 5 frames up in the video and the animation editor, and repeat. At some points, you might get confused on how to readjust body parts, so no big deal. Select a normal standing up frame, I had one at the beginning, and copy paste it to where you want it. This way you don't have to unfold your character if you did something crazy looking. Ooh, I almost made that elbow breaking mistake again. I was tempted to go almost frame by frame to get the perfect look. But 1, it was really hard, and 2, it didn't even look that good. So I just scrapped it and went by 5 frames again. Oh wait, I just redid it, never mind. You might realize you misplaced some keyframes, but don't worry, just go back along the video and what you have and figure out when you stop moving the animation editor time up. When you find the mismatch, you can just move all your keyframes and make a new animation frame to fill in the blank. Yo, home stretch. Dude, it's been an hour and 16 minutes. I've done nothing. Holy sh**, but copy this. Ugh. Dude, it's so f***ing weird. Frame by frame. Weird. Nice commentary, 2 in the morning, Michael. At some point, make sure you play back your animation to make sure it looks right. You don't want to spend 3 hours on making your Roblox character have a seizure, or worse, realize you've been changing only 1 keyframe. So play the animation back. Dude. Dude, it is not over yet. Holy shit. I still have the body and I still have legs to do. Yikes. Yes, we do. 2 in the morning, Michael. By the time I finished the arm movements, I went on to the upper torso of the Roblox character. Same deal as before, but this time, you can use the skip keyframe buttons to go between what keyframes you already have. And then the legs. They're like arms, but not. Same deal as before. Move around every which way from the hip, but only bend one way at the knees. In this dance, I had to also move the lower torso up and down to make sure the feet weren't inside the ground. Because everything you can see in a normal Roblox character is ultimately connected to the lower torso, moving it up or down will move the entire character up or down. So if you wanted to animate a jump, like I do here, you can bend the legs, straighten them out, and time the vertical movement to make it look like a hop. And just continue working on it until you reach the end. When you finish, don't forget to export it to Roblox so you can use the ID for anything you want. Those are all the tips I used for this animation, so without further ado, here's the finished animation, with my track on it. One more time. Wait.
Renegade, renegade, renegade.
Swear to God. Go, you did. Go, yeah. Go. That's it for this one. Rate the video. Tell me how you felt. Leave a comment if you want to say or ask something. And please, if you see the same question you're about to ask, give it a thumbs up instead. If you know it, answer it. Let's build an awesome community. And please, share this video. You got it for free and you should pass it along too. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thanks fam. See you later.